welcome to Delectable Flavors. In today's video, I'll be showing you an easy way on how you can make a flavored simple syrup. Now for this simple syrup, we'll be flavoring it lemon. So for this recipe, you will need a 1/4 cup of sugar, an 1/8 cup of lemon. It's lemon juice and you need to take out all the seeds because you do not want that in your simple syrup, as well as an 1/8 of a cup of water. If you want to make more simple syrup, feel free to double this recipe. So what I'm first going to do is get my water. And this has to be very hot water so it can dissolve all the sugar. And I'm just going to put all of the ingredients in together and mix it up. When all the sugar is dissolved, that means your simple syrup is ready. Now this is ready to drizzle onto your cakes or your cupcakes to help lock in the moisture. If you did like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for a new recipe every week. Till the next recipe, bye-bye!